Hi all, this is Claire. Thanks for watching, and I'm in France. I'm using two cameras today, so you might find me fidgeting around. But today I'm going to unbox the new ring light I bought for YouTube. This is, I don't know how you pronounce it correctly, Neewer, is it? I don't think it's Neewer. Neewer ring lights, 18 inches. I think it's the biggest that you can buy on Amazon. We bought this from Amazon. And at the first time I'm meeting it, I just got it here. And so I can film YouTube from now on. Excited. And so let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to... Alright, so we're going to open it. Oh. That's what we saw on Amazon. Those images. That. I'll do the review as well. That's very kind. They've got a newer. I would say. Oh, that's the tripod part. So this is about, I think, 10th tripod I have. How does it work? Interesting. That's... I need instruction. Legs here, which you can adjust to make it longer. Oh, let's play with it later. And I've got a bag of, I believe, the lights and the major oh, that's huge. Ta-da! Sponge, that's all. And I've still got this box. Right, so that's the cable. Instruction, no, customer service. Instruction. That's filter, white and orange. iPhone or smartphone. What do you call? Stabilizer. What is this? Remote shutter. Really? Isn't it? It's got an instruction and camera. Oh, nice. It's got that and the cable, the plug, and what is this? And the tripod I still have to work on. Does it close at all? I don't open a hole in my skirt. How do you close this? With, okay, right. So that's, I believe, is a tripod, and I still have to read the instruction, but let me take one photo of this. Alrighty, so where is... oh. Got an instruction? Obviously. Setting up guide. Oh, it says in English though. Oh, it's from the US. I hope. Okay. Interesting. So, installation of light stand. This. Work on that way. And we've got really? Oh, okay, so it goes the other way around. Really? Keep on saying really. Yes, it goes and beyond and use dots and really? Are you sure? What do you mean? Oh, okay, makes sense. No? So it was like this. Oh, okay, there we go. How did it happen? But anyway, so I've done that. And this. Installation of a soft tube. What do you mean by soft tube? Oh, okay, so it's kind of bends like... It doesn't bend though. Really? Soft tube? As if... Loosen the screw at the bottom of the ring light base. Screw this. And attach the ring light to the soft tube directly. Directly? How? Does it go? Really? I don't think so. It does stand. Well, it did stand. Okay. It's not really stable, I feel, but and this doesn't really. Ooh. I loosened something, I guess. Okay, so I guess it's this, so I'll tighten it. Alright. Okay. Okay, good. Installation of soft tube. I'm sweating. This is okay. Installation color filter. I'll do it later. Installation of mirrors. Mirrors. Mirror 1. Place the semicircle mirror to the inner side. Where is that mirror? I don't think I've got a mirror. Oh. I believe the mirror is not in here. Really? Right. And when did you use the ball head? Got it. Ball head comes in the end of this. Goes top goes on the top of the tripod to hold what do you call that? Yes, it's actually a soft tube. It's went soft. And that's what I've got, and it's quite tall here, so it might be hard for anybody to see this, but how do you loosen it? How do you loosen it? How do you get back in here? So I want to filter with white first. I guess it's better for the time being. I don't know, it's maybe the orange is better. Where is the English version? English, is it this? So color filter, no, not color filter, but how do you do that? Is there any hole? No. Installation of color filter. First mount the color filter at the bottom of the ring lights. The unique filter, so that's a different one. Oh, this one. Okay. And okay, so that. But that's all that says on the instruction. Right, hello again. And is it just possible for me to... Yes, it's good. And so that's no lights at all, and you adjust it. Kind of scary, but how is it not the maximum? And I can't really measure it, but it's as far as this, and that's is an interesting combination, but let's see how it looks. Right. So I think the orange comes to the cheek and the white comes on top and bottom of the face, so it's not a bad idea to do it. Yes, it's more natural, I think, than just going all white. How is it? It's the brightest currently. The brightest, no, it's not the brightest. This is the brightest. If you go further away, we've got the sun as well, so. So, unboxing and setting up completed. Now I can use it for YouTubing and possibly photography as well. And photography we have a different one. And I didn't know that, it's quite huge, so I didn't think it, but it's obviously came with this massive bag, so I can probably go around taking videos, and not really a handheld size, but I can probably use it outside as well. That's great news. And I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, I'm actually wondering if I'm supposed to have this mirror thing that's written here, related accessories. I might ask them, but I don't know. And if it was any informative or useful to you, that'd be great. And the link to this product is in the description. And if you have any question, I don't know if I can answer, or if you want me to try anything with this light, please let me know. And yes, from this time onward, I'll be taking videos with this light in France for a while. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy your day. Bye.